Hi guys, today I'm super excited because I am sharing something really useful. My 10 Amazon favorite products that I really use every single day. And the best part is Amazon Prime Day sale is starting from 12th of this month. So you will get amazing discount on all these products. So all the products I will discuss in the video, I will try to link them in the comment section and the description box for you to check them out. So without any further delay, let's get the video started. The very first product that I cannot live without is Care Foam Wedge Cushion. This literally saves my life when it comes to my backache or acid reflux. If you struggle with heartburn, snoring or back pain, trust me, this wedge pillow is amazing. It provides proper torso elevation to avoid acid reflux and keep your body perfectly aligned. Plus the memory foam is so comfortable. Even after long use, it doesn't lose shape at all. I even use this while watching TV or working on my laptop in bed. Trust me, super comfy. And the very next product is Minimalist Hair Growth Serum. Trust me, I have already tried so many things for my hair fall, but this one actually works like magic. It has 5 proven ingredients, means all those stuff that helps promote hair growth and helps in reducing hair fall by 4 weeks. I love the fact that it is safe for daily use, no side effect, and is suitable for all hair types. So if you're also looking for the hair growth serum for yourself, you will find the purchase link in the description box and the comment section. The very next product that is very useful for me, that is Amazon Basic Laptop Sleeves. As a content creator, I have to travel from one place to another and I have to ensure to keep my laptop safe and comfy, and this product really helps me out. I never step out without this. It gives me 360-degree protection with its 3D foam cushioning and keeps my laptop safe from scratches and bumps. The very next favorite product is definitely this laptop table from the brand Protronics. An absolutely lifesaver for work from home days or crazy breakfast for bed in the morning. It's super sturdy, moisture proof, and the foldable aluminum legs makes it super easy to carry around. And the very next product that I cannot live without is definitely my vlogging camera, my shooting camera, that's Sony ZV-1. I bought this camera almost 5 years back when I started this content creation journey, and trust me, this is the great investment of my life so far. This camera is a total game changer. It's compact, has a flip screen, shoots in 4K, and the product showcase setting makes my product reviews look super professional. The next favorite one is definitely the mic from the brand Rode, to use it along with my camera, which I'm using it currently also. I get a crystal clear audio with this mic, no wire, no mess. It is perfect for interviews, vlog, or any kind of content creation. The 100-meter range is amazing. Even if I move around, my audio stays perfect. And trust me, when you use this, you can never go back to the wired mic. And the next one is definitely my phone, which is iPhone 15 Pro Max, which I again use it for my content creation, and I cannot live without it. Again, this is the best investment in my life so far. The video qualities, the photo qualities, the capacity, the phone speed, everything is just perfect the way I want for my content creation for my daily life. And if you are also looking for a very good quality phone to start off your vlogging or a content creation, I believe this is the best investment. And the next product, which is again very useful, that is my tripod from Keo brand. Guys, I have tried so many tripods, the small one, the bigger version, all of them, but this one I can actually carry it anywhere I want, adjust the size as per my requirement anytime. It is super sturdy and it is foldable and compact. What other things do I want? This is the best tripod investment for me in my journey, and I can use it to shoot it with my mobile camera or even ring light sometime. I will again try to link this tripod in the description below the comment. You can click on it and check it out for yourself. And the next one is definitely related to my skincare, and I use Episoft cleansing lotion to wash my face every day. No doubt this is super gentle and very good for the sensitive skin person like me. It really removes the dirt from my face without drying out my face. Perfect for dry, sensitive, or even acne prone skin type. And the last product that again is very useful is my Retinol Night Cream from the brand Pilgrim. This night cream really works wonder on the fine line, wrinkles, or even a dark spot. It hydrates, boosts glow, and even makes my skin look youthful and fresh. And the best part is no harmful chemicals and totally safe for all skin types. So these are some of my absolute favorite products from Amazon that I honestly cannot live without. Which one is your favorite among them? Please comment and let me know. I will try to link all the products in the description below and also in the comment section for you to check them out. You can grab them for yourself before the Amazon Prime Day sale is over. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, bye bye and take care.